Google Pixel 4a. So guys, today we have with us the first look of this smartphone. This budget end offering by Google is going to be the direct competitor to the upcoming budget end iPhone. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the first look of the Google Pixel 4a, what is going to be the price tag, what are going to be the features, and overall when this smartphone is coming. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and from smartphone world, then please consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, if you are a keen tech observer, then you know that every single time whenever a new Google Pixel smartphone comes, we have the first look way before, like 2 to 3 months before the launch itself. We have with us the first look of the smartphone, and fewer times like Google themselves have tweeted regarding this leak. So it is a very interesting factor. Well guys, I don't know what to speak about it, but as you can see on the display, this is the first possible look of the Google Pixel 4a. In this image you can clearly see that this smartphone is having a fingerprint reader at the back of the side. Guys, the Google Pixel 4 and 4 XL are not having a fingerprint reader at the back, but with the Google Pixel 4a you are getting this technology. And guys, believe me or not, but fingerprint reader is way more acceptable than the Face ID. So guys, last year Google launched the Google Pixel 4 and Google Pixel 4 XL. Both of the smartphone are very good smartphone, but they are not the perfect. Like they were having a huge bezel at the top. That is not a notch, that is a bezel, in which you are getting a radar sensor and the Face ID system. Well guys, the radar system is only used for activating couple of gestures, and other than that there is no physical use, or there is not an important use. So guys, because of this radar mechanism, this smartphone never came in the Indian market. In Indian market, we really like to see a Google smartphone, but with this smartphone, things are very different. And there is one more factor, and that is, despite of this different type of design, this smartphone is having a dual camera setup at the back, from which the second camera is a telephoto lens. If you will personally ask me, then the second camera always should be an ultra wide angle lens instead of a telephoto. So guys, the upcoming Google Pixel 4a smartphone is going to be the perfect Pixel phone that we want. This smartphone is going to be having a hole punch display. Again, it is going to be having a slight bezel at the bottom of the smartphone, but you're going to be getting the hole punch in the exact corner of the display. So guys, if you will carefully look at the back of the smartphone, there is a square shaped camera bump, and in that square shaped camera bump there is only one single camera and a LED flash. So guys, this smartphone is going to be coming with one single 12 megapixel sensor. Guys, a 12 megapixel sensor in a Google smartphone is very good, and it will take phenomenal photos, and the front camera of this smartphone is also expected to be of 12 megapixels. So guys, this smartphone is going to be launched in the Google I/O 2020 in this WWDC type event. In this event, Google is going to be showcasing this smartphone, and most likely this smartphone is starting with a price tag of $399. The budget end iPhone also is going to be starting at $399. So both of the smartphone are going to be the direct competitors to each other. If you want to have the best experience from Google under $400, then the Google Pixel 4a, and if you want to have the best experience from Apple under $400, then the upcoming iPhone 9. So guys, this was everything which I wanted to include in my today's video. In today's video, I just wanted to give you a short little glance regarding this smartphone coming from Google. So guys, if there is going to be any other update regarding this smartphone, then I'm definitely covering it up. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and from smartphone world, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I want to increase our community to 10,000 subscribers, and it can only happen with your support. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.